Hello, boys and girls. I'm kidding. Just kidding. Hey, y'all. Today we're doing a traditional recipe found often this time of year in celebration of Hanukkah, the magical festival of lights, the miracle where the oil didn't run out and the oil lasted for 8 days in the temple. So we're celebrating with all of our friends who do celebrate Hanukkah by making this traditional dish today. We're making potato latkes, but I'm making it with a little twist, y'all. We're gonna make sweet potato latkes, and it's gonna be yum, y'all.
Let's start by washing, peeling, and then shredding 2 pounds of potatoes. I'm using a mandolin to grate my potatoes, but a food processor would work even better.
You're gonna take your cheesecloth and take all of your grated potato and then twist all of the oil, all of the water out of it. See how much that comes out? You want your potato to be as dry as can be. The drier, the crispier your potato.
I then do the same to my onion.
Now the onion part is best left to your food processor. But I was too lazy to pull mine out. I guess I needed a good eye cleansing today. Do the same for the onion. Squeeze all of the juice out.
I then chop some green onion and reserve half for the finish. Add salt and pepper to taste. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix well. Then mix in 2 extra large eggs. Now you can see I'm using the best tools of the house, my hands. Test the consistency to see if you can make it into a cake. Now we're ready for the skillet. Heat about a half cup of oil on medium heat. Then add the potato mixture by tablespoons or with a scoop. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Then remove to a paper towel to drain and cool, and then add a dash of salt and pepper to finish. And there you have it, beloved. Serve up with some lime, some sour cream, and some homemade applesauce, and you've got the best latkes ever. Enjoy the holidays, y'all. Happy Hanukkah.